Hi there! Today I'm going to show you how to master containers in Docomotion, from basic creation to expert-level logic. Let's start with how we actually build one. First, you'll want to use your mouse to select any part of the document you want to control. This could be a single line of text, a table, or even entire pages. Once your content is highlighted, go over to the Data Model panel and simply double-click on Container to wrap that section inside a container tag. Now that your content is inside a container, you can right-click it to access the properties and start adding some serious intelligence. This is where you can hide sections or apply business logic. For example, you can write a simple script so that a section only displays if a specific field, like a name, is not empty. And just like that, your content is wrapped and ready to react to your data. In practice, containers act as tags that help us include logic in templates, giving us total control over what appears in the final document. Let's look at 3 key ways you can use this right now. First is the lock container. This feature is a lifesaver for compliance. It prevents users from editing protected content, whether they are using the live editor or our dynamic word add-ons. Second, we have conditional containers. In this template, we've set a section to only appear when a quote exceeds $4,000. This means your documents automatically adjust based on deal values, so you don't have to manage dozens of separate templates or make manual changes every time. Third is regional customization. For instance, you can set a specific terms and conditions bullet point to only appear for recipients in the United Kingdom. With just a few lines of simple script code, your content instantly adapts based on the customer's location. Ultimately, containers transform how you handle document creation by consolidating many different versions into one single master template. With Docomotion, your documents now intelligently respond to your exact business needs.